Hello, my name is Tejaziri and welcome to our channel. I work for Fashion Learning Consulting and our main goal is always to teach mental math, speed reading. We also teach how to learn a new language. So for example, our main focus at the moment is language like German, Italian, and Spanish. Okay. If you also want to learn English and Swahili, we can also do that. Now, we also teach retention skills, and apart from that, in normal cases, we do boot camps for holidays, during holidays, and we also do workshops in school. So if you have a school and you would like to improve your performance, now just reach out to us. Okay. So now let's have a look at squaring numbers near to 500. Now, squaring numbers near to 500, like we did it initially. If you look at our previous video, we did a video on squaring numbers that starts with 5. So that's going to be the same principle we're going to use here. So suppose we have we have 530, and you square. Now, in this case, what we're going to say, we're going to use square of 500, and that's going to be what we are mainly going to look at. Okay, so we're going to say, in this case, our base is going to be 250. Okay, and because that is 200 and we are talking about 250,000. Okay, so in a way we can also say 350 00. So that's supposed to be rough idea where we are having our answer. So this should be the base. That means you can basically just from your head say roughly where the answer should be lying. Okay, and now the next thing we're going to do is to take this 30 and add it to 350. So that's why I put here bracket. So we're going to say add here 30. Okay, so addition. So we have here 280. So still we have 000. Okay, and then now the next thing we're going to do is to square 30 alone. So if you square 30 alone, gives you 900. So you're going to have here 900. In that case, the answer will be 28900, which means as a mental maths person, in this case, when you see this number, you basically write 25 plus 30, which gives you 280, and then square 30 alone. Okay, that's going to make work easier, and that means you can do that calculation just from your head, and that is our main goal as mental maths experts. Okay, so let's do B. Let's look at a number, for example, 500 and I don't know, like let's say something like 512. Okay, so 512 squared is almost, we're going to do the same. So in this case, we're going to say what is 250. So this is how we'll do it faster. 250 plus 12, that's going to give us 262. And then the next answer will be 12 squared, which is 144. So what happens is like you just square 12. So you have here 12 squared, and that answer is what you bring here as 144. Okay, so then your answer is then 262,144. Done. So if someone gives you a number like this, some people will be like, whoa, that's a lot of number. I cannot square that number. But if you know this trick, it's going to take you less than a minute to do this, like just from your mind. Okay, so let's have a look at another one. I'll take another pen just to just kind of to differentiate things here. So suppose you have a number like 500 now and 07 square. So let this one be our C. So the same thing you're going to do. You're going to just say 250 plus 7, which is going to give you 257. Okay, and then the rest is going to be plus then 7 squared, which is 49. So in this case, because 49 is less than 100, you're going to add 0. So then the answer is going to be basically here 2. You add the 2, so it's like this. Basically, this one, the whole of it comes here next year, so that you have 257 0 or 9. The reason why I brought this one is because sometimes you may just add 49 if you didn't understand numbers that are below 510. They will give you a square that is less than 100. In that case, what you do, you add a 0 like we did here, and that whole 0 is what you add to your answer at the end of here. So you see, now again, when you look at square, it's almost like becoming like a addition, which for me is the main reason why we give you this shortcuts. Okay, so I don't know, I should try another one. My straight line drawing is not so good, so forgive me for that. But now let's look at another one. Let me just take another pen, color, and So how about if you have a number like, so let's say D. So if I have a number like 545, well, okay, this is also very easy. What you're going to do here is say 250, because remember I said it's like in thousands. Now add this 45 here so that you have 295. Yeah, and then the next thing you want to do is to square 45 now plus the other side, so plus, this is like I said, okay, so this is 0 plus 45 squared. Okay, 45 squared. If you watch a video on how to multiply numbers that end with 5, that will give, or that will be just like add 1 to 4, 1 of the 4, and multiply. That's going to give you 5. Gives you then that's going to give you 5 multiplied by 4 gives you 20, and the rest you have 2025. Okay, so what we're going to have here is 295 and 0 plus 2025. In this case, what we're going to have here is 29, 70, 25. So this one becomes your answer. So remember, faster learning, we are mainly focusing on improving mathematics among the people or the students who are struggling with maths, and we teach them shortcuts on how to do mathematics. Okay? And like this, we promote maths. Apart from that, we also do speed reading. We teach them and our clients how to read a book like very fast. In most cases, I start with your own speed, and when we can play with that own speed, everything works very well. So that's how we focus. And now, if you would like us to come to your school, then give us a call. We're going to work on that. We're going to come to your school, do a workshop like one day. Normally, I prefer 2 days, because then first day is always introduction day, and then second day you kind of repeat what we already did, and this one sticks a lot. So thank you so much for listening to this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to our channel, and yes, let's meet on the next video. Thank you so much, and bye.